myself again. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm preparing this house for this hurricane that might be coming on Wednesday night or Thursday or Friday if it comes. So I'm trying to seal up every fucking thing on the corners and everything so the walls don't get water down inside the walls. Get all this shit sealed up. There's a lot of wood right there on that corner. So pretty much that's where I'm at right now today, cutting all this shit out of here, fitting some new pieces in here and getting this thing squared up for the rain that's coming. Alright, so normally I would have replaced all that wood all the way up, but the homeowner that wants to sell this house wants to be slightly on the material, so he don't want to use a whole lot of shit. He just wants to replace little pieces and stuff. So I replaced the bottom corner with PVC. I put a PVC nose sill in, and I built a new windowsill and put in there, and put a short piece of brick molding over there, and FEMA sealed all that shit up and everything. So that's what the shit looks like now, which is a lot better than it did when I fucking first started. And it's a little after 3 o'clock, and I probably work over here till about 4:30, so about an hour and a half. So I'm trying to think what I have that I can do in an hour and a half, and I want to cut into that window over there. So what I think I'll do is just go ahead on and put that fucking piece of wood up there and call it a day. Now we're at the end of day 54 of the house renovation. It's been hot and humid as fuck out here today, and I've been working by myself, and it's about almost 4:30, so I got to get that window closed up. I got the windowsill in there, the nosing. I got the corner cleaned up and fucking PVC around the bottom. Fixed it, framing on the inside, sealed all that shit up so it can't leak. This needs to be painted. Also got that fascia board up there, and got all that shit all sealed up and everything. So I didn't do much today. I bullshit around a little bit this morning, and then get here real early, but anyway, that's just where we're at today, end of day 54, and we're almost done with all the wood right on the back, and on this side, just got to do the window in the corner, and I found a spot right there. You got to get that shit done. So I come in here tomorrow, probably do them two ends, and then that front corner window up there. I'm not worried about painting it. I'm just trying to seal everything all up and everything so it can't leak nowhere. So that's where we're at the end of day 54. You got any questions about this house renovation, leave a question in the comment section, or email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, and that's in the channel description. Take advantage of looking at some of our other 350 videos that we have of reviews and how-tos and whatnots. And also, if you're just joining us, there's 52 more videos before this one of this house renovation. When I first came in here and it was a trash pile. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. I'm gonna be doing some more exciting shit here pretty soon, man. I'm about ready to start doing some restoration videos of some rusty, fucked up tools and shit, knives and some badass hatchets and axes and stuff like that. So subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for that, because we're almost done with this, and I'm so glad, because it's starting to get a little boring, I know, and we don't want to be fucking around doing that shit no more, or whatever. We fucking get past this and go move on somewhere else, or be jumping around and do something a little more different and exciting. But do fucking stay tuned for those fucking restoration videos, because that's some pretty badass shit that I'm getting ready to restore. So y'all have a good day now, and subscribe to Get Go TV. I'll see you tomorrow, day 55.